here it is. Hey, it's been a while since I posted any new videos. Thanks to everyone who waited, wrote, and supported me. So today we will create such abstract rotating bubbles inside a sphere. The scene consists of one large sphere with a radius of 1000 and a segment of 64. The remaining 6 spheres are spheres of different sizes for bubbles. I animated the radius for sudden appearance. Okay, let's add an emitter. Change the size from 1000 to 1000 and increase the appearance speed. We will have 6 particles, like our spheres, and let the appearance time be up to 25 frames. To make our particles into spheres, we need to add a cloner. Enable all spheres, select them, drag them into the cloner, drag the particle group into the object. Now let's move on to the dynamic part. We will add a rigid body to the cloner. As we can see, the spheres are now pushing each other aside. I removed gravity in advance so that they would not fall down. Let's add a collider to the large sphere so that the bubbles remain inside. As we can see, they are coming from the sphere, so we will change the collision side to the back. Sometimes when using dynamic, you have to tweak a lot of settings to avoid such artifacts, but in my case, I just used old dynamic. As we can see, the bubbles no longer escape from the sphere. Okay, now we need to add turbulence with a large scale because we have a large scene. For rotation, we use field force. Why not just rotation force? Because standard rotation force only provides fixed rotation around the axis, does not allow you to easily change the direction of rotation depending on the position of the object or conditions, e.g. formulas or noise, does not respond to field layers, which limits creativity. I converted the bubble animation to alembic so that I could use them as colliders. In the alembic settings, I animated the frame parameter so that the bubble animation would start at frame 20. I did this because up to the 20th frame, the small bubbles had to fill a large sphere. At this stage, we simply add bubbles. I don't see any point in commenting in detail. The steps are clear enough as they are. A detailed lesson on setting up lighting and materials will be available on my Patreon very soon. If you want to dive deeper into the subject, I highly recommend it.